It's no secret that Amazon Marketplace has dominated the online retail platform in recent years. Imagine captivating your audience with stunning videos, showcasing the best features of your products, and telling your unique brand story. Pictory AI can help you achieve all that and more. Here's how. First, you have to make an Amazon seller account. To set up your account, you'll need to submit your business information, including your name, address, and tax information, along with valid credit card and bank account details. Having an Amazon seller account will grant you access to a substantial customer base and a secure payment system. So, why can video help you sell? In the digital age, video has emerged as a powerful medium for engaging customers and driving sales. Pictory AI facilitates the conversion of long-form video and text content into short branded videos for social media, quickly and easily. Product demonstrations are a powerful way to showcase the features and benefits of your products to potential customers. Captions and voiceovers play a critical role in enhancing the overall quality and engagement of your videos. They can help to emphasize key points and ensure that your audience fully understands the message you are trying to convey. Customer testimonials are a highly effective way to build trust and credibility with potential customers. Amazon influencers play a crucial role in promoting products on the platform and earning commissions through review videos. Review and tutorial videos are an excellent way to educate customers on the products and provide them with the information they need to make informed decisions. Pictory AI makes it easy to produce helpful tutorial videos that provide clear and concise information on how to use your products effectively. Optimizing your videos for search engines is a critical component of ensuring their success on Amazon. Tracking the performance of your videos is essential for making data-driven decisions and refining your content strategy. Don't miss out on the incredible potential that Pictory AI offers for the success of your business on Amazon. Get started with a free Pictory account and transform your business today. And for more info, go to our blog.